Welcome back to Travel Vibe, your go-to channel for exciting travel adventures. Today, we're diving into the serene world of forest camping. Get ready to reconnect with nature and embark on a memorable journey. Hey there, fellow adventurers. I'm thrilled to take you on an exploration of forest camping, where the tranquility of nature meets the thrill of outdoor living. So, let's get started. First things first, setting up camp. Find a cozy spot beneath the towering trees, ensuring it's safe and away from any hazards. Then, it's time to pitch your tent. As you can see, the process is straightforward. Just follow the instructions, secure your tent, and voila! You've got your home in the heart of the forest. Ah, the campfire, the heart and soul of any camping trip. It provides warmth, a place to cook delicious meals, and the perfect gathering spot for stories and laughter. Gather around, folks. It's time to roast marshmallows, share ghost stories, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Nothing beats the cozy ambience of a campfire amidst the enchanting forest. One of the greatest perks of forest camping is the opportunity to explore breathtaking hiking trails. Lace up your boots, grab your backpack, and let the forest guide your way. Get ready to be amazed by the wonders of nature. Forest trails lead you to hidden waterfalls, awe-inspiring viewpoints, and encounters with fascinating wildlife. Just remember to respect the ecosystem and leave no trace. Cooking in the great outdoors is an adventure in itself. Embrace the simplicity and joy of preparing meals surrounded by nature's serenity. With a portable camping stove or grill, you can whip up tasty dishes using fresh ingredients. Imagine savoring a hearty breakfast or a sizzling dinner while enjoying the sights and sounds of the forest. It's a feast for the senses. When it's time to unwind, the forest offers countless peaceful spots to recharge your mind and body. Picture yourself lying in a hammock by a babbling brook, or perhaps taking a refreshing dip in a crystal-clear forest stream. Forest camping provides the perfect opportunity to escape the hustle and bustle of daily life and find solace in nature's embrace. And that, my friends, wraps up our forest camping adventure. I hope this glimpse into the world of forest camping has inspired you to venture into the great outdoors and create your own unforgettable experiences. Join us next time on Travel Vibe, where we'll continue to explore incredible destinations and uncover hidden travel gems. Until then, keep wandering and embracing the travel vibe.